test number 7, 9:19 p.m. This is the new design for the robot, the frame or the bottom. I designed this one to fit the old top because that did not need replacing. Issues with the old design was a miscalculation on this part here of the motor, being the white bits, wouldn't let me fit in here with the wheel attached. So to counteract this, I tried drilling holes, which did work. Apart from this model also had other features wrong with it. One of them being because of the Velcro. When the weight was getting put on the motors, they would bend up like this, which would result in energy loss or friction due to the wheel being against the bottom of the frame. Another issue that I would have come into is the blade would be rather small compared to the new one, which you can clearly see there is quite a major difference in the size that the blade can possibly be. With the new design, to counteract these issues, I've made in slots so the motors fit snugly in. They're also when pressure is put on, the motors don't bend, resulting in friction being unnecessary. These slots are in the robot for saving money on filament. The way it works, so the motors get put in to the slots in here, which then there's a gap in between where the motors are and the connection of the wire, and then the wires come through the gap and you're able to plug straight into the board, the Arduino board. The batteries are just put into the slots. Safe place to put them, and it's secure. It also makes it so that there's a space here which I have marked out, so you are able to put another motor and then make a hole or an incision in the bottom of the frame, which would allow you to put the blade down. Then you've got the ultrasonic sensor at the front, which is the same as the old frame, how the ultrasonic sensor was there, and it's connected directly to the Arduino board. And now on to testing. On this surface, you can see when the robot is powered on, it will move straight, and then it's meant to do a 90-degree turn, but it does not. You can see this motor and that motor are trying to turn, but they've not got enough friction on the ground to be able to turn fully and utilize the full capabilities. Whereas on the blanket, it's a bit more, how should I say this, it's got more friction on the robot, and you can see it turns a lot better, but it is not ideal to work at all, so improvements must be made.